Look, I just started the car. I got my vent on, and I'm gonna do a cold drive. I just started it, and just so you can see that you can get in it, fire it up, and start it up, and let the oil pressure build up, and you can just take right off. No problemo at all. She just takes right off. No stumbling, no burbling, no hesitating, nothing. Just boom. Look at that. She just takes right off. Resting my foot on the gas. That's all I'm doing, just resting my foot on the gas. Already up to 30 mile an hour. Look at that. There is one thing I forgot to mention. The toe on the front end. I think that the toe for the outer tie rods is off a little bit. It needs to be set. So I think when they put the new tires on here, or it's probably been like this since the car was new. There's second gear. Oh, coming up to a school zone. .20-mile-an-hour school zones. I'm sure that's the same way down there in the Houston area. Yep. She's good. She drives beautifully, even when she's cold. I got that Carter dialed in perfect. Perfect. She's starting to warm up a little bit. Gauge is moving a little bit. Okay, we're out of the school zone. You guys can step on the bloody gas. Come on. And all I'm doing is just setting my foot on the gas. Just push her just a little bit right there. Get her back up to 45. She gets second gear and then back to third. 50. Smooth. Smooth as could be. Catching up to all these slow pokes. My God, is that a freaking 10, 12, 13-year-old Fusion? Yeah, sure is.